Amar, but please send it, try to send it before I go to home, okay?
Which
Okay, guys.
which hour?
Yeah, any 1 p.m. Try to. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue in our lesson, the distributive property, page 305. Now, let's remember what we did in the previous lesson, guys. We said the distributive property, we do something like a 3 multiply 5 plus 8. We said we can distribute the 3 on 5 and 8. It is 3 multiply 5, 15, plus 3 multiply 8, 24. We said that. And we use it more in algebraic expressions, like we said expand. Don't forget this word, please. Expand 7, for example, multiplied by x plus 8. We distribute the 7 on x and on 8. It will be 7 multiply x, 7 multiply x, 7x, 7 multiply x, 7x, 7 multiply 8, 56. And the addition becomes between them. This is what we did in the previous lesson, and I think we did example 1 and the check. I don't remember. Who remind me here? Yusuf. Marwan.
Yes, Mr. In the book I solve until and you solve until question 3, and we solve also the check.
So we did example 3 and the check?
Yes.
The check of example 3, we did it?
Yes, we did it.
Good. I will remind you guys with the ideas, okay? I will remind you with the ideas. This is the first idea, the expanding. How we multiply a number like 5 with algebraic expression 2 plus y, for example. We distribute the 5 on 2 and the y. It will be 5 multiply 2, 10, plus 5 multiply y, 5y. This is the first idea. The second idea was how to factor or how to multiply a number with mixed number, I think. How to multiply a number with mixed number. Like 8 multiply 3.5. 8 multiply 3.5. This was the second idea. We said, طبعا, using the distributive property, we can turn this to fraction. We know that. We can turn this to fraction and multiply normally. But here we will use what? The distributive property. I think it's easier. I think it's easier. So we say this is equal 8 and open a bracket. And we said 3.5, it's a 3 plus half. Remember, guys, don't forget. Then we distribute the 8 on the bracket. It will be 8 by 3, 24, plus 8 multiply half. I'll make it 8 by 3 first, معلش. So we distribute by multiply. Now 8 multiply 3, it's a 24, plus 8 multiply half, do it by side. 8 by half, this is over 1, multiply 8 over 2, it is 4. Take the answer, put it here. So this is 4. Now 24 plus 4 is 28. This is the second idea, how we multiply a number with mixed number. A number with mixed number. We turn mixed number to whole and fraction and addition, then distribute, then add, finding your answer. This was the second idea. The third idea was how to factor, and I will start with it. I will start with it, with example 3. I will repeat it, معلش. Example 3, I need to repeat it. It's important idea. How to factor using the greatest common factor. Factor using the GCF. And we have the two numbers. Who can help me here? Abdul Hamid.
Yes, Mister.
What are the two numbers?
I have two questions.
Yes, what is it? What are they?
The first one that I did not understand, example 3 and example 2.
Example 2 first. Yeah, read example 2. What we have?
Mister, but I forgot the page, Mister. Yes. Yes, I found it. Example 2. Use the distributive property to find 8 multiply 3.5.
I did it here. When كنت أنت؟
No, I entered now.
طيب يلا. 8 multiply 3.5. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Now the 8 is still 8. Then we open a bracket. مش هيك؟
Okay.
3.5 we make it 3 plus half.
Plus half. Okay.
Then we distribute 8 multiply 3
plus 8 multiply 1
half.
over 2 and get the answer just. Okay.
بس.
Now just example 3.
Read.
Okay. Example 3. Use the GCF to factor 45 plus 72.
Wait والله a minute. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. I'm with
Yes,
you,
Mister.
Mr. يلا read it again. Read it again معلش.
Use the GCF to factor 45 plus 72.
45 plus 72. Use what?
The GCF.
Good. Use the GCF. So let's find the GCF to use it, right?
Right.
How we will use it without finding it?
I used 3 ways. 45.
Yeah, 45 and 72. We will find the GCF, guys, normally, huh?
Yes.
بسرعة يا عبد الله.
45, 9, 5, 9, 3, 3.
circles.
This is circles. 72, 8 by 9. Yes. Mister, what?
خلصت. Yeah. The 45 equal, tell me.
Okay. 45 equal 3 and 3 and 5.
يلا ها.
Yes, 72 is 2 must 2 2 3 2.
أيوة.
Count 1 2.
Now, what
3,
are
4, 4. Yes.
What are the, this is a 3, sorry. Yeah. What are the common? I have 2 groups here. We know that.
Right. We know that.
Yeah. What's the GCF?
The GCF is 3 multiply 3 equal 9.
So the GCF is what?
9.
I will use it now. I don't care about this. So this we make it on extra space. I want what? Only
9.
the 9. So I will take the 9. I will go to my question here. Equal 9 and make what? Bracket. Okay?
Okay.
Nothing between the 9 and the bracket. It's multiply here.
Okay.
Now the next step, يبني, I will divide 45 divided by 9. How much?
5.
5. Plus comes down.
8.
72 divided by 9. How much?
8.
خلصت.
We will not complete.
Complete what يمني?
The answer we will not distribute the 9 on the 5 and the 8.
يلا distribute ماشي يا حبيبي يلا distribute يلا.
9 multiply 5.
How much?
45.
هي.
Plus. Okay.
كمل يلا كمل.
No. 9 multiply it will be 72. It will.
هي. شو بدك تعمل add زي الأولاد الصغار روح اعمل add.
No,
This is we call it factoring. This we call it factoring. This is the answer. This is the factoring, okay? Yeah. This is example 3, guys. We have checked below example 3. Do you understand it, Yabni? Hope that. We have checked under example, guys, 3. I'm with Mr. Bedr.
Yes, Mister.
يلا the check below example 3 بسرعة.
يلا. هي بس قلبت الصفحة.
حلو.
check 80 plus 56.
18 ولا 80؟
80 page 309.
يلا 80 plus 56. We'll use the GCF to factor this. What I will do?
80 by the three-way, it is 8 by 10.
Do you know how we find the greatest common factor?
Yes.
Yeah, I will do it quickly. 80, it is 8 by 10, 2 by 4, 2 by 2, 2 by 5, and all of these are circled, right?
Yes.
The 56, it is what?
7 and 8.
7 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 2, circled, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The 80 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. The 56 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, right?
Yes.
These are the common here, the 2's together. So what's the GCF?
Equals
2 times 2 times 2?
8.
8.
Yeah.
So I will take the 8, and where I will go? To my
to
question here. 8. Yeah, what I will do now?
80 divided على 8.
80 divided على 8 كم؟ كم 80 divided على 8؟ يلا.
10.
10 الله يسعدك 10 حبيبي 10. 56 divided على 8 قد ايه؟
7.
7. You understand it?
Yes.
Goodbye.
It's easy.
It's easy. Why يا مستر؟
يعني لازم تكون hard.
It's easy. Why? Why you see it easy?
يعني it's not يعني you don't have to do a lot of things.
لا لا, this is not the answer. Why you think this is easy?
Smart teacher.
أيوة, because you have smart teacher. Thank you. See, this is the correct answer. The perfect answer. So we are done with example 3 and the check, guys. Let's go to example 4 together. Example 4. Amr. Read ya, Amr. You are the smartest student, guys. Not me. Yalla.
Yes. Example 4. Use GCF to factor algebraic expression.
Good. Tell, what is it?
6x plus 15.
Hello. 6x plus 15. Now, the previous idea, guys, it was use the GCF to factor numerical expressions. We have numbers here. We call it numerical expressions. Here, algebraic expression, I have x, remember?
Yes.
Now, use the GCF. So I need to find the GCF to use it. صح يا عامر?
Yes.
So I will go to these numbers, 6 and 15, and find what for them?
The GCF.
Yeah, you know how?
Mister, it's a 3.
ماشي مشيها يلا how?
6 2 and 3 15 3 and 5.
الجي سي اف شو حيطلع؟
3.
3 ممتاز. So we know that خلاص. Now the 3 I will take it and go back to my question here and make it 3 and put a bracket. Look guys, I'm doing the same steps of the previous one, the same steps, but here I have x. This is the only difference here, the only difference. Now let's divide يا عامر.
Yes.
6x divided by 3, how much?
It's 2x.
ممتاز. 2x. Don't forget the x, guys. 6x divided by 3 is 2x. Don't forget that. The plus comes
15.
down.
Plus 5.
لا.
5.
ضبطها أنت. 15 divided by 3. How much يا عامر؟
5.
ممتاز. This is how we factorize, guys, the algebraic expression. It's the same steps of this idea, but I have x here. Don't forget that, please. This is the most important idea, guys. You will use it later in grade 7, inshallah, with me or with other teacher. You will use this idea. It's very important in algebra. You will take something, we call it algebra. So you will use this idea later on, inshallah. So please try to not forget it, please. Thank you, Amir. Let's go to the check. After the example, we have check. After example 4, we have check. Let's do it together. Hisham.
Yes, Mister.
Read.
Factor 36x plus 13 the GCF.
Again, بالله معلش.
Factor 36x plus 30.
Good. Using what?
GCF.
The important thing, greatest common factor. What I will do, ya Mr. Yalla?
First, we will find the GCF.
Good. We will find the GCF of the numbers 36 and 30.
Yeah.
Yalla, ya Hisham. Do you know how we find the GCF?
Yes. 36,
Yeah.
9 multiply 4.
Good. Here.
We will put circle on them. 35 and 6.
خلصت أنا. Here. 5 and 6. Right?
Yes, the GCF is 3.
Let's just check, please. Now the 36, it's a 3 by 3 by 2 by 2. The 30, 5 by 2 by 3, right?
Yeah.
We have the 3's together and the 2's together. So the GCF, take a number from each group. It will be 3 times 2, which is
6.
6. Excellent. Now I will take my 6 here. I will go to my question and I will put equal 6 with a bracket. What I will do now, tell me.
We will make 36 divide 6 equal 6. 6x.
ايوه لا تنسى الاكس. ما حطيتوش الاكس راح، هذا كله غلط. كمل.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. 36 divided by 6, 6x. Plus 30 divided by 6 is 5. Close your bracket. This is your answer. Thank you, Mr. Now we are done with this, guys. We are done with this lesson, but I want to give you extra examples about this idea. Extra examples. Try to write them, please. Extra examples about this idea. Try to write them in your copybook or whatever you want, but not on the wall, because your mom will هتخنقك. Extra examples. Let's go to this example. For example, factor 5x plus 65. 5x plus 65. Who can help me here? How to factor this algebraic expression? Can I create Muhammad?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah. How we factorize this?
First thing we will.
Before we move on,
bring Mr. with GCF or no?
So here's the deal.
ولا أخذنا شيء غير الجي سي اف احنا؟
No.
ايش مالك؟
We will make the GCF. We will bring the GCF.
يلا طلع الجي سي اف. كيف؟
It's 5.
How؟
5.
كيف يعني 5؟ ليش مش 7 مثلا؟ ليش 5 يعني؟
Because 5 is it's
5 circle ready.
Yeah.
Ready 5. The 65.
65 it is 9 and no
9 مين يا زلمة؟
13 and 5.
9 مين والناس نايمين يا ابني؟ ايش؟
13 and 5.
13 and 5. How I know that, guys? How I know that? Here the 65, it's, I won't say big number, but it's not in the timetable if you are with me. Now here the first number is 5. And we did that before, guys, in grade 5, if you remember. If the ones is 5, it can divide on 5. So let's divide on 5.
1 3.
So 13 multiply 5 is 65. So I'll go here. It's 13 by 5. So 5 equal 5. And the 65, 13 by 5. So the common is
5.
5. So the GCF is what?
5.
I'll go to my example here. Now I'll put 5, which is the greatest common factor. Then I will what?
Divide.
Yeah, divide.
5 divide 5, it's 1. 1x.
1x.
Yeah.
1x plus.
Plus 13.
65 divided by 5 is 13.
13.
Now look here, guys, please, and look to this important note here. هذا 1x, no need to write the 1. No need to write the 1. هلا if you write it, it's correct, ما في مشكلة. But get used on not writing the 1 beside x. If there's no number beside x, guys, again, if we have y plus 4m, for example, here if the m, the coefficient is 4, we call it coefficient. But here, what's the coefficient? Nothing. Nothing means what? 1. So the 1, no need to write it. ما تكتبه. تعود. ما تكتبه. خلاص. 5x divided by 5, 5 by 5, 1. And x comes down, 1x, no need to write the 1. Got it? Got it. Why no need to write the 1? مين يحكي لي why no need to write the 1 beside the variable? When I say 1m, no need to write the 1. Who can tell me why? Why? ليش مش لازم اكتب ال1? سليمان.
Mr. Because if we multiply, it will be the same number that we will multiply with it.
يعني عليك. Because 1m is 1 multiply m, and 1 multiply m is what?
Is m.
Yeah.
No need to write it. Yes. Let's take another example. For example, 7x plus 42. Let's factorize this one. Yusuf Tamer. Yusuf. مش حابب يحكي يوسف اليوم. طيب عبد الرحمن.
Yes, miss.
توك يا عبد الرحمن يلا.
We will make the greatest common factor by 3 ways.
يلا.
7 equal 1 multiply 7. We will make to it circle. And 42, 7 multiply 6. The 6, it will be 3 multiply 2.
Good.
We will circle.
Yeah, I will do it. So what's the GCF will be for the 7 and the 42? Do you know?
No, I want to.
Yalla, what is it? The 7 is 7 because
Yes.
7 by 1, right?
Yes.
The 42 is 7 by 2 by 3. What's the GCF?
7.
7, only 7. So I'll go here and put 7 and I will what?
Bracket 7 divide 7 divide 7
أيوة.
equal
7
x.
divide 7 divide 7. أيوة.
7x divide 7 equal 1 equal 1x. We don't need to write 1. We will put x.
ممتاز. Plus
6 because 42 divide 7 6.
Good. These are the ideas, guys, of this lesson. Hope you understand it very well. Now I want you to remove all of your hands, guys.
Today
please.
we will put for us an assignment.
Today, no. Just do the homework. Just do the homework. We have 2 classes of revision next week, so don't worry about that. All of you guys, remove your hands, please.
Homework of yesterday, will we do it?
Homework of what? Yesterday, do we have homework?
No, you said you can do it if you want.
خلاص, now today we'll do it all and we will check it later together. I will send you the corrections, don't worry. Did you understand the questions, yeah, Badr?
Yes, I understood
In the homework?
because I have a...
Good. خلاص, this is the important thing. Guys, remove your hands. If you have questions, put your hands, please. I have Abdul Hamid.
Mister, I did not understand the last example of the variable in the find the GCF.
7 and 42, right?
Yes.
3-way. What are the numbers? If you multiply it, you get 7.
Nothing.
Nothing. So I circle the 7. مش هيك نعرف?
Okay.
So 7 equal what?
7.
بس ايش المشكلة؟
Okay, how the x, what we will do for it, the variable in the example?
Divide. 7x divided by 7 is what?
7x divided by 7 is 1.
1. لا مش 1. No.
1x.
It is not 1. 1x. هاي 1x. في مشكلة؟
Okay, we'll not write the 1x.
بس خلاص.
Okay.
Get it? But if we have other than 1, we need to write it. See?
Yes.
See? مين اللي ما بنكتبه بس؟ If we have 1 only. But other numbers, no. Write it. Write them normally. Else, guys, if you have any questions, put your hands, please. It's important lesson. Yusuf Tamer.
Yes, mister. Can you hear me now?
Question. Yes,
I don't
hear
have a question, but I want to say for you that my mic wasn't open.
Your mic wasn't open?
Was not
open?
Yeah, because Abdul Hamid sent for me the picture.
طيب, okay. طيب. Did you understand everything, Gabni?
Yeah.
Good boy. Now, guys, let's go to the homework together. هيك خلينا نشوف الhomework that you will do it today. We are on page 13. معايا يوسف?
Yes.
Read question 1.
1 minute. Okay.
لا, 1 minute مش فضيلة. يلا.
خلاص.
Read question 1.
Use the distributive property to expand each algebraic expression.
Expand. Remember? Expand. Distribute. Find the answer. Don't forget that. Read the second question here.
Use the distributive property to simplify each expression.
A number with multiplied by mixed number, guys, using the distributive property. Don't forget that. This thing. Don't forget it. Please. Next, read.
Use the GCF to factor each numerical expression.
Using the GCF to factor each numerical expression. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Continue. Next question.
Use the GCF to factor each algebraic expression.
Algebraic expression. Using the GCF. Don't forget that, please. Read down. Question 13. Read it.
5 friends each bought a shirt and a pair of shoes. The table shows the cost of the items. The expression 5 and x
Not
multiply.
and. ما فيش and. يا مستر دقيقة. Do we have and between 5 and the bracket?
No, 5x plus 24.
So what is it? What is it?
5x plus 24.
No, also. It is not 5x plus 24. No.
5 brackets x and plus 24.
5 multiply bracket, parenthesis, and inside it, x plus 24. You need to be specified. If you say 5x plus 24, hi 5x plus 24. 5x plus 24, right?
Yeah.
Is this what we have in the question or we have this?
No, we have this.
See? Continue.
Shows the total amount of money they spent. Expand the expression.
What the question want? To
expand.
What? To expand only. To expand. ما تشوف لي question problem solving وتخاف منه. Read the question. Read the question. It's easy one. Now go to the next question. What we have?
Which expression has the same value as 9 plus 24?
Think about it and select the correct answer between these answers. This is the homework, guys. Try to do it at your home. Now I will go unless you have any questions, please. If you have any questions about this whole lesson, just tell me.
Yes, Mr. Question number 14.
ماله؟
يعني
Think about it, يا ابني. Think about it. Think about it. Think. Try to think.
Okay.
Use your mind. It's free. Use it. Right, Yusuf? Think.
Yeah.
You need to think. Huh? Questions? Muhammad, can I clear?
No.
Sir, the second question in the homework.
ماله?
I didn't understand it.
Which one, please?
They use the distributive property to simplify each expression.
You don't understand this?
No, I didn't know what should we do.
هي شايف انت قدامك
Okay.
ولا لا؟
Yeah.
مالك انت اليوم نايم؟
No.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Last question, Abdul Hamid.
Mister, can you repeat the expand idea fast?
Hey. Read.
Yes. What? Okay. 7 and parentheses x plus 8. We'll expand 7 on x and 8 and we find the answer. Just.
This is the answer.
Yes.
This is what?
The answer.
Any questions, guys? If you forget any idea, guys, please watch this video again. Thank you so much and have a happy weekend. Waiting your homework. Goodbye.